Meaning of iceberg.
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 Iceberg. An iceberg is a large mass of ice that floats in the ocean. Only about 10% of an iceberg is visible above the surface of the water, with the remaining 90% hidden below. The term iceberg comes from the Dutch word iceberg, which means ice mountain. Icebergs are formed from snow and ice that has accumulated over many years. They often pose a danger to ships as they can be difficult to spot and can damage vessels upon impact. Despite their beauty, icebergs should always be approached with caution.